Hi, welcome back. In this video we're going to look at conditional formatting. So we're going to look at point 4 on the Choosing Your Dinosaurs page. So conditional formatting is a tool that we can use to change the way the cell looks depending on the value. So it says in point 4, add conditional formatting to the budget used and the budget remaining. So we're looking at this value and this value. Okay, so that they are green when you are on or within budget and red when you go over. Okay. So let's start with when we are within budget then. So we want to make sure that if this value is less than or equal to this value, okay, we are in budget, so it goes green. So let's see how we do that. So you click in where you want the conditional format to go, which is the budget used, and I'm going to select on the Home tab, Conditional Formatting. You are going to create a new rule. And you are always in year 9 only ever going to format only cells that contain. Okay, and this is where I set my ruler. So what it's looking at is the cell value. So if the value in this cell is less than or equal to this value, okay, so I'm going to select the cell there and I'm going to select the cell there. Okay, so I'm actually looking at the cell. Okay, then I'm going to set the format of my color to fill color, so I've changed it to a fill, and I'm going to set it to a green color. Okay, alright, now when I click OK, that cell, this budget use, should go green, and it does. Okay, but that's not the end of it, because we need to make sure that if it goes over budget, it goes red. So what we need to do is to go back onto the conditional formatting, and we need to manage rules this time. Manage rules, because you've already set a rule up. And what we're going to do is to add a new rule to this rule, rule we've already set up. So we're going to create a new rule, format only cells that contain, and again this time we're going to format the cell value. So if that value is greater than, we want to set it to this cell, so click on the little arrow, select the cell, press enter, then we're going to set it to red. So we're going to go format, fill color, red. Okay, alright. So what I would like you to do when you do this as evidence is to take a screenshot showing your rules, okay, and a screenshot showing the condition changing depending on if you've gone over budget or under budget. Okay, so I'm going to apply that rule and I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to test this, okay, by going over this value. So I'm just going to type in a value just so I can go over that value. So you can see, because I've gone over value by £1, over budget, it's now changed to red. Okay, if I put it back to what it was before, it then goes back to green. So you apply the same rules, okay, or you apply the conditional formatting then to the budget remaining, but I'm going to leave you do that one. Okay, but you need to make sure you take screenshot evidence to show how you have done it.